Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's review is going to be on an unboxing of Mike Stockar. I recently got my second one today. I got my first one way back in February, and it's taken a long time for another one to come up on eBay for a cheap price. Well, I didn't exactly get it on eBay, but I got it for a cheap price, and I just purchased one. And seeing how he's a bit rare nowadays, the same with Metallic Sally, as he was in the same case with Metallic Sally. So yeah. Without further ado, let's start on the review of Mike Stockar. So, here is Mike Stockar here, as you can see. He is the Transberry Juice Pitty, which we will be taking a closer look at the Transberry Juice team as well today, but mainly looking at Mike Stockar. He is one of my favourite Pitties now, just because I like purple and pink, some of my favourite colours. There's Mike Stockar, as we can see there. He's made in Thailand. There is his artwork. He's in the Dinoco 400 series. There is the back. There is it. After the Dinoco 400, a tiebreaker race is decided to determine the winner of the Piston Cup. And of course, we've got Lee here, Greg, Candyman, Davey Apex, and we've got Marlon Clutches McKay, which I do have all of them except for Davey Apex in the package. So yeah, there is Mike Stockar. And like I said, we've got two. I've already compared the packaging. I'm going to open this one here. So yeah, let's get on to the packaging unboxing. So here is Mike Stockar. Out of the package. As we can see, we put the tool chest and the tyres aside. He's quite heavy for a Pitty. Now, as you can see, he is the Pitty for Lee Revkins, which he is here. We'll just put him in the background for now. He's got this nice little smile on him here, as you can see. He's got this nice expression. He's also got the Thailand eyes there. Got the forklifts here. Very nice. We've got no mouth plate, because I think I've got one here. Here is Piccolo Perry. You can see just there is a mouth plate around the car, which is a bit strange how they did that to Pitties back then, which made no sense. But that was back in the days of like 2009 to 2011, where they were using mouth plates, making the cars look ugly. Anyways, here's the side. We've got Transberry Juice here. Very nice, with these nice purple rims, which is actually different to the Diecast, which I don't understand why, but it's nice to see a colour difference on the wheels to the Pitty. Very nice. There's the side again. Here is the back, nothing different, just a window here. Here's the other side that reads Transberry Juice. Here's the nice little hat we got here, which also reads Transberry Juice. Very nice. Here is the base. It does say made in Thailand, as you can see right above there. Let's see if I can... There you go, made in Thailand. So that is the review on Mike Stockar, but let's take a closer look at the tool chest here. Of course, it does read Transberry Juice, and we've got this nice little fuel thingy here with these bubbles going around. Very nice. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. It doesn't roll, unfortunately, which I would like to see a feature. So that's the tool chest. Here are the wheels for, of course, Lee, which are actually correct. It's just that they are a bit blurry and a tiny bit of a different colour, because Thailand are making different cars, and they are light year. And here we've got a hole to put into the Pitty, like so. But I still don't understand how it works, because they're pretty much putting a puncture into the tyre. They're putting a hole into the tyre, which is pretty much ruining the tyre. I guess they could do it like this, which would make way much more sense, as they are seen in the movie like this. I'm not sure if Mike Stockar is seen in the movie, but I'll just let you guys let me know in the comments if he is. We do have some other Pitties here, just to quickly compare against Mike Stockar. We've got three of my favourites. We've got Bryn, Imageare, we've got the short Pitty. Here he is. You can see the difference. Very nice. Here is Piccolo Perry. The Spearmint Pitty. The Tall Pitty. Very nice. Those are some Pitties. We'll put them over here. And now we'll be taking a closer look at the Transberry Juice team. As I have said before, here is Lee Revkins. Here is the China version. I do have a China one, but I don't have it open. Yep, 63. Of course, there is no 63 on Mike here, which is a bit weird, but would be nice if Mattel added the numbers onto the Pitties. Transberry Juice 63. There's the back. Very nice. One of my favourite teams. Probably in my top 10. Yep, you can see the colour difference as I showed before. Purple and dark purple. Here is CB, which has recently been given a name for, I believe, last year. Very nice. One of the few teams that actually have the full entire team. So that's nice to see, except for Crew Chief, which I believe was cancelled back in 2010. Nice expression on CB. This is actually the China version, which is actually kind of rarer. Very nice. We also got some Disney Store stuff. We've got Bubba Wheelhouse here with Chase Racer 2-pack. Of course I kept it in the package, but here is Bubba, the Transberry Juice Next Gen Racer. And before I forget, here is the Thailand version of Lee. As you can see, the colour is pretty much the same here, which again is kind of a nice change. And just to show you that this is the Thailand one, there it says made in Thailand. We also got Marcus Krangsler, which is the Cars 3 Stockar racer, which we can see the difference in the number. It changed from number 63 to 6, which I guess is a cool change. Which reminds me a little bit of Nicholas Latifi, the new Williams racer, and Nico Rosberg, who both drove the number 6. Not sure who drove the 63. Is it George Russell? I think it is George Russell. So yeah, both Williams drivers. That's just, that's a bit of a strange theory there, if you guys follow the world of Formula 1. That is super strange. George Russell's number is 63, and then Nicholas Latifi's number is number 6. Very, very strange. But yeah, here's the two differences between Marcus Krangsler. Let's put him back there. And we also got a Disney Store version of Lee Revkins here, which is way much bigger than the Diecast, as you can see. Way much bigger. This is 155, that is 143. And very nice. And, of course, last but not least, we've got two variations of Bubba. Now, you might be wondering why is there two variations. Well, here's the two variations. This one does not have window bars, whereas this one does. I would like to see a Thailand release in the future, but who knows? Who knows? But yeah, let me know in the comments below, which is your favourite member of Transberry Juice. Let's try and get this up here, just in the background. And here is the tool cart. So yeah, here is Mike Stockar. Just a quick look again at the car. Very nice. Here's the packaging. Put it in the background here. So yeah, coming up to 9 minutes now. So yeah, if you are new, please make sure to leave a like. Dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. And to the next one. Bye guys.